clicked on this video, obviously you saw the title that said I'm going to do a product review on my brand new Viking bags. I just upgraded my saddlebags for my bike a couple weeks ago, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. You know, I don't know if you're a woman, but we have a lot of crap. We carry a lot of stuff with us. My purse is enormous. When I carry my camera gear, it takes up a lot of space. I also do a lot of long distance motorcycle trips. I like to go moto camping and stuff like that. So I bought my first pair of bags last year, had them for a little over a year, and really worked them hard. I did a lot of moto camping trips, a lot of long distance moto camping trips, and I mean, I filled these things so full. I was putting a lot of stress on the mounting hardware. I realized I needed to just upgrade my bags, and I loved the look of the hard bags. I ended up going with the extra large Lamellar. I love that they have the shock cutout, because now they hide my shocks and really clean up the profile of my bike. The bags really help my bike just look finished, you know. I call my bike, it's a little embarrassing, it's kind of like a club style bagger slash touring Dyna. Yeah, and I can dig it. The number one thing I love about Viking bags is they're all universal. You can put them on almost any bike and they're timeless. You know, Viking has done a really good job creating bags that suit everyone's personality and everyone's taste. When I first unboxed them, I wasn't too sure that they were actually bigger than my other bags. But after doing my quick purse drop test, I realized that they were immensely larger than my first bags. I'm gonna try to get us to a nice location where we can watch the sunset together and talk about how much I love my new saddlebags. Would you just look at it? So, here are the bags. They flow absolutely flawless with the lines of my fender. And before I get into the review, let me just take a selfie. So as I mentioned before, these are the Lamellar extra large Viking bags with the shock cutout. You can see that right there. I love how it cleans up the lines of my bike. You can't see the shocks. These are the gloss black hard case. Even though they're gloss black, they hide a lot of imperfections, you know. I don't care how careful you are, how much you clean your bike. If you ride, you're gonna get scuffs, you're gonna get rock chips. These new bags, compared to my old ones, fit much closer thanks to the shock cutout. I love how close they are to the bike. They don't look like they're bowing out too wide. When I first ordered them, I was a little worried because of this outside latch here. I thought they opened from the outside up, which I didn't want because when I'm doing a long road trip, I have a huge sissy bar bag on the back and I can't open them that way because the bag is too big. But after watching their amazing review videos, I realized they open from the outside, or the inside out. So this is incredibly huge compared to the last bags that I had. They're lined with this leather material. You can probably fit at least 74 tacos in there. Super stoked for. All you have to do to close it, quick little latch, and out comes the key. These bags shipped to my house within 2 days of ordering. I was super excited for how fast that they got here. The bags also include their own mounting hardware, which a lot of companies do not do that. I can't tell you how much I love ordering parts for my bike that actually come with the hardware you need to mount them. The one thing I do miss about my old bags is right where you see that reflector there on the side. My old bags had a little external pocket that did not lock, so I could quickly and easily get anything out of my side pocket, which would be the foot for my kickstand or my net bungee. Those were the two main things I would keep in there. Oh, or my phone charger. Yeah, use that a lot, but I don't mind. I have other places I can put those. One of my favorite things I love about Viking bags is how they cater to all types of motorcycle enthusiasts. You know, you could ride an adventure bike, you can ride a dirt bike, you can ride a cruiser, you can ride a sport bike, and they actually make all kinds of different bags that'll work with your bike. And it doesn't even have to be saddlebags. They have all kinds of different luggage. I've had a really hard time finding bags that actually look like they fit my bike, thanks to the shock cutout. Other bags, I would have had to completely relocate my turn signals or push the bag so far back that you have to see the shocks. So These bags have been absolutely amazing for what I wanted my bike to look like. One of the things I love the most about these bags and all Viking bags is that they are lockable. I definitely feel secure because you can't, like, they're only lockable. Some people might not be into that, but I like it. I know for a fact that when I leave, my bike is secure. I have honestly left my purse and other valuable belongings in my bags before because you can only get in there with this key. These bags are super simple. Just twist it once and it pops right open. And it opens up nice and wide. Plenty of storage. And they even have a nice little side pocket for smaller items that you don't want to dig through when you're lugged down ready to go. And to close, simply fold down and push. And that's my review, you guys. I love these things so much. I mean, they came with the bike. That's what it looks like. Looks like I walked into the dealership and I said, I like the saddlebags. I want this bike. Sold. Anyway, leave a comment down below if you have any other questions on these bags in particular, or if there's bags that you're thinking about getting. Like I said, I've had a few of them and I've loved every one of them. I just needed more space because I have a lot of crap. Let me know if you want me to do more review videos like this, and let me know where you plan on going with your new saddlebags. I can't wait to pack these things full and hit the road. Alright guys, thanks for watching.